Transform your cleaning business by doubling referrals and job tickets. This is the fastest, cheapest, and easiest way to increase sales and your brand for your cleaning company. Joe Girard, who is in the Guinness Book of World Records as the greatest salesperson ever to live, kept in touch with his clients every single month. This was known as his biggest tactic to become the greatest salesperson. The funny thing is Joe was in the business of selling automobiles in Michigan. So his business, people only come around about every 5 years to buy another car. Why would he market to them every month? Well, the interesting thing about the cleaning business is our clients usually come around a lot more often than every 5 years. So how can we apply what he did to the cleaning industry? Well, first and foremost, it's a good idea to send reminders to your clients, letting them know that it's been X amount of months or years since the last cleaning. So this can be done by text message marketing, letting them know that it's been a year, it's been 6 months, it's been however long since you've heard from them. People love to know that they've been forgotten because it helps them feel wanted and needed, and it sometimes just reminds them that it's been a while since it's been done. As well, don't forget to actually put something in the mail. If you really want to get a message across to somebody, you don't just text them, you text them, you send them something in the mail, and you probably email them. You might even want to call them. So this is a flyer that we did that made us a lot of money, and a lot of the coaching members that have used this particular flyer have let me know that this was the best marketing that they've ever done in their cleaning business, just reminding people that it's been X amount of years, X amount of time since their last cleaning. As well, we've got postcards. This is one particular template, kind of relaying the whole idea of what people understand about cars being oil changes, and letting them know that they wouldn't skip an oil change. Why would they skip a carpet cleaning? Letting them know all of the benefits to getting carpet cleaned. As well, doing just general text blasts. So even during the holiday season, during spring, during freezes, it's a good time to just send a well wish and a well message to all of your past clients. Not necessarily, text messages are very limited, so you can't just go and make a big blatant sales pitch and not have a lot of people opt out of your text message marketing, but just something letting them know that it's been a while since you've heard from them. I just wanted to check up and see if you need anything. During the holidays, it could just be a wish of saying, happy holiday season. We're very, very booked for the holiday season, so if you do want to book a cleaning appointment, please book within 2 to 3 weeks in advance. Just wishes of whatever the season is going on, if it's a holiday, sometimes a reminder, just something very, very small, very, very low key, and letting them know, just a reminder that you still want them as a client. So every time I've actually had a coaching client actually implement text message marketing, these are the type of messages that I get. It's usually a really, really great thing. Highly, highly recommend it. We've got ways in the coaching club and software that can do the text message marketing for you. As well, postcards. Yes, postcards still work. Why? A lot of local companies don't do postcards. Other than like Valpak, they don't really do postcards. And Valpak's not really a postcard, right? So sending them something, wishing them happy holidays is a great idea. Letting them know that, we're here. We have a referral program. Please make sure that you use us. Just something to not let them forget you. Get back in front of them. And we can print these up for our members for 1,000 of them around $99, 2,500 of them for around $180, 5,000 for around $270. We even have programs where we can mail them for you, design them for you, and just get them all the way and completely done. Also, too, you not only want to just remind them about holidays and just wish them a holiday, but also wish them or let them know that the benefits to your service, in this case, making a great first impression, is something that people are very, very concerned about when it comes to their carpet and having guests over for the holidays. Letting them know that they can make a great first impression is a great thing. Letting them know that they're going to make a mess. You're here to help them clean that up. Maybe, too, just a message saying you have a free gift credit towards your next cleaning. Send something like this before the holidays. This is something that was always a huge hit for my own cleaning company. But just all of this is about touching base back with your past clients and the people who are already connected with you, building that brand. You see how all of this works into that. Now, the other thing that you might want to do is give out referral incentives. One of the things that was great for us, for our past clients, our current clients, for referrals, and realtors and interior designers, we're giving out gift cards. So we would give out gift cards like candy to the people who could refer us. And when they would refer us, they would get a gift in return. Also, you've heard of Kohl's Cash. Well, we have Clean Cash. This is a template that we've got for just being able to give a certain amount of dollar amount back toward future cleaning if they get it done within 6 months, or inspiring repeat cleaning very, very soon. Because the problem a lot of the times is somebody will totally intend on getting cleaning done later, but it's always better for you and for your bank account if you can have them come back sooner than they were planning on it. That's why Kohl's does this. That's why you should do it as well. Email newsletters. Yes, email newsletters are great. Go ahead and use them. Reminders about holiday cleaning, reminders, various seasons, various things that are going on in their life, in their world. Let them know that you're there for them. Let them be educated on what you do for whatever type of cleaning services that you do. Educate them about rugs, educate them about pet stains. We've got the templates for all of these inside of the Ad Coaching Club. Now, if you have a particular neighborhood, which a lot of you do, that you really want to target, I'd highly recommend doing some neighborhood postcards in every door direct mail. When you do this, you can actually pinpoint these specific neighborhoods and become the neighborhood cleaning company. One of our coaching clients did this with great success, and basically let them know about his guarantees, about what he does that's different than other cleaning companies. This is a postcard I did in my own cleaning company. This is one of the ways that we really established ourselves as the neighborhood cleaning company. So all of these templates and the graphic design is available inside of the Ad Coaching Club. I recommend that you do all of this. Don't just stop at text messages. Don't just stop at emails. Don't just stop at postcards. Do all of this and do it well. Do it consistently, and you will definitely double your referrals and increase your brand recognition, not only amongst your clients, but throughout really your whole city, throughout your whole area. And yes, we have software to email and text your clients. The texts are as little as 2 cents. The emails can even be free to be able to get those done. And we can mail these for you. All of the postcards that you've seen, all the mailers, we can mail these for you for around 50 cents per home. And that includes postage, labeling, shipping, handling, the whole 9 yards. So all of this inside of the Ad Coaching Club. You can see the link right here below the video. If you have any questions at all, shoot me a message and let me know. I'd love to know your thoughts.